So I want to tell you why I prefer Simple Lawn Solutions liquid fertilizers, besides the fact that they're a really good company and they are in it for the DIYers. So most of their fertilizers already contain some type of biostimulant. So if I don't want to separately spray a biostimulant, I know that my grass is getting a little bit of that in each of the fertilizers that I use. The other reason I really like it is because you can choose from different sizes. You can do the 32 ounce, which you can connect to your hose and spray it out that way. Or if you're a person who likes to do backpack spraying, you can get the 1 gallon, which is a little bit more cost efficient, and spray it out that way. So works for me. I like this one and this one. I love this one.